Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you my weekend skincare routine. Usually once a week I like to give myself a more intense type of facial. Usually it's during the weekend and I normally do either a hydrating or an intense mask, or I have been really loving microdermabrasion. Now I recently received the PMD Microderm Elite Pro and I really have been loving this, so I really wanted to record my routine as well as show you how I use the device. So if you guys are interested in this device or microdermabrasion, then please continue watching. So just a quick unboxing of the device itself. So I do have the Minnie Mouse edition. This is the Personal Microderm Elite Pro. Such a cute package. Right, so inside we have some instructions and a QR code. And then what I really love is that the actual device comes already with a case, and it is a hard case, very cute. And then inside we have the device itself. And then we have a little charging station, a USB cord, and then two applicators. One is for the body. Another one is for really small areas. This is perfect for the nose area. And then another one actually that comes with the device itself, and this one is for the face. The package also comes with multiple discs. Now this is what really exfoliates your skin. So we have the small ones and then the two big ones, those are mainly for the body. Now it is always recommended to start with the white one, and the white one is more for training. This is the white head right here, and then the gray all the way to the maroon, and the maroon is the most intense. Now again, the white disc is for training purposes. The gray disc is for very sensitive skin. And then we have the blue, which is also for sensitive skin. And then we have the green. Now this one is a moderate intensity. And then we have the red discs, or the maroon, and that one is very coarse, so it's going to be an intense facial. I've been using this device now for about a month, and honestly I didn't think that I would love it as much as I do. I feel like it really has given such a bright look to my skin. I have nothing on my skin right now. I just cleansed my skin and I have no makeup at all. So this is just my bare skin without anything, and I really think that this device has a lot to do with why my skin looks so bright. The PMD device is a form of microdermabrasion, much like what you would get if you go to a professional clinic. And what it does is it removes the top layer of your skin. So essentially it exfoliates your skin, so that way your skincare will penetrate so much better and you would get that added benefit. Microdermabrasion is known to improve skin texture, dullness, really brightens up your skin. Also, if you have acne scars, it tends to heal them a lot quicker. And it also helps with fine lines and wrinkles as well. All these skincare benefits are definitely something that I would tick off and is a plus for me. So I definitely will be continuing to use this once a week, but I really want to show you guys how I use it. When I first received the device, I did start off with the white tip. Now this one is for training purposes. It essentially does nothing to your skin. It doesn't really exfoliate as much as the other discs do, but you will feel that suction. It kind of is for practice purposes and also for you to kind of see if the device is going to irritate your skin. For the second week, I did use the gray tip. Now this one is for sensitive skin. It does provide very mild exfoliation. I could still see a little bit of a difference, but not so much for me to say this device is absolutely working. Last week I used the blue tip and I definitely saw some redness in my skin and some real intense exfoliation. So I am going to reuse this one this week again. I think I'm going to use the blue one for the next couple of weeks before I go into the green tip, just because I did find that my skin felt a little bit irritated afterwards, which is normal. You are going to get red skin because again, it is exfoliating that top layer of your skin. You are going to get some redness, but it went away within a couple of hours. My recommendation is to always do this at nighttime so that you don't expose your skin to any kind of sunlight or further irritation. That way you can just go ahead and use the device, put on your skincare, and you don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the blue tip and just close the device and then just turn on the power. So there are 3 different intensities. We have low, and then if you click on the plus, we have medium, and then we have high. You always want to exfoliate upwards. So everywhere you go on your face, it's always going to be upwards. You never want to drag down. So I'm going to start off with the bottom half and then go to the other side and then my forehead as well. Again, cleanse before you use this device. Really important to do so. All right, I am going to pull my skin upwards and just go really fast. You do not want to hold in one section for too long at all. All right, I do avoid my eye area. You can see there's some white patches, and that is okay. It is normal. This is just your exfoliated skin. So that's all of my skin exfoliated, and you do see the white patches. So the redness actually isn't as bad as it was when I first used the blue disc. So I think next week I will definitely go up to the green disc for sure. But my skin already feels so soft. I went ahead and cleansed my skin again. Now you don't have to, you can just go ahead and just apply some water just to remove that dead skin cells. But I like to cleanse it just one more time before I apply my skincare. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Lisa Eldridge skincare mist. I love this stuff as well. Honestly, Lisa Eldridge really creates some really awesome products. This is just a really fine mist. It's so beautiful. I also love to apply this over my makeup as well, just to set everything up. For my skincare today, I am going to use my Protini by Drunk Elephant and also the Bee Hydra. So I usually just do a pump of Protini and just apply a pump of the Bee Hydra and just mix them all together. And then I really love to pat my skincare. My skin feels really soft. All right, and that is it. So that's what I usually do for my nighttime skincare routine. This is just a once weekly type of intense skincare routine, and I have been loving it. I definitely highly recommend the PMD device. At first, I was scared because I was afraid that it's going to irritate my skin and cause some severe acne, but it actually helped my acne scars very much so. And I also feel that I'm getting more benefit out of my skincare. I feel like we pay so much for skincare, but we're not really getting that full benefit out of it. And really, if you get a device like this or exfoliate your skin properly, that's when you really start seeing results from your skincare routine. I love this device. It is so easy to use. It really has made such a difference in my skin, and I highly recommend it to you guys. If you are interested in this device, I will leave a link down below in the description box. It does come in different colors, so definitely do check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was informative for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.